The F8E1 or low FL error on your Maytag washer means it's not detecting enough water filling the drum. This triggers a timeout, halting the wash cycle to prevent damage. The washer expects a certain water level within 8 to 10 minutes. If it doesn't reach it, this error appears. This often indicates a problem with the water inlet valve. The inlet valve is the key component controlling the flow of hot and cold water into your washer. It uses solenoids, which are electromagnets, to open and close the water supply. Inside, a filter screen prevents debris from entering. A faulty valve, whether it's a stuck solenoid or a clogged screen, restricts water flow and causes the F8E1 error. Normal flow rate is 10 to 20 gallons per minute. Several factors contribute to inlet valve problems. Sediment buildup from hard water is a frequent culprit, clogging the screen and hindering water flow. Solenoids can burn out due to power surges. Manufacturing defects, though less common, also occur. Regular filter cleaning every 6 months and water softeners help prolong valve life, which averages 5 to 7 years. Before diving into repairs, try these quick fixes. First, power cycle the washer by unplugging it for 1 minute. Then, check your water supply lines, ensuring they're fully open and not kinked. Water pressure should be between 20 to 120 psi. Rule out these simple issues before proceeding. To test the inlet valve solenoids, first ensure safety by disconnecting power to the washer. Set your multimeter to the ohms setting to measure resistance. Connect the multimeter probes to the solenoid terminals. Each solenoid should show a resistance reading of approximately 1 to 2 ohms. If the reading shows an open circuit or is significantly different from 1 to 2 ohms, the solenoid is faulty and the inlet valve needs replacement. Begin by ensuring safety. Unplug the washer from the power outlet to prevent electrical shock. Then turn off the water supply valves to stop water flow. Next, disconnect the water hoses from the old inlet valve. Place towels underneath to catch any residual water. Then carefully unscrew the hoses using pliers if needed. Remove any screws or clips securing the old valve to the washer. Consult your model's manual for exact locations, as they vary. Gently pull the valve away from the washer. Install the new inlet valve by aligning it with the mounting points. Push it into place and secure with screws or clips. Ensure it's firmly attached to prevent leaks. Reconnect the water hoses to the new valve. Tighten them securely, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Ensure the hot and cold hoses are connected correctly. Double-check all connections for tightness and proper alignment. Verify no hoses are kinked and that the valve is secure. Restore power by plugging in the washer and turn on the water supply valves. Run a test cycle to ensure everything works properly. For greater reliability, consider replacing the entire inlet valve assembly rather than individual components. This ensures compatibility and reduces future failures. Maytag has addressed the F8E1 error through recent fixes and updates. Firmware updates for smart washer models released since 2023 improve error diagnostics, reducing false triggers by up to 25%. Users can check for these updates through the Maytag app. Additionally, a recall was issued in mid-2025 for inlet valves in washers made between 2021 and 2024 due to a defect in the solenoid coil that causes premature wear. Owners should visit Maytag's website to determine if their unit qualifies and arrange for a free replacement. To prevent future F8E1 errors, implement regular maintenance routines. Clean your inlet valve filters every 6 months to remove sediment buildup that can clog the valves. If you live in a hard water area, consider installing a whole house water filter to reduce mineral deposits that cause valve failures. Water softeners can also help extend the life of your inlet valves. Regularly inspect water hoses for kinks or damage that could restrict flow. These simple steps prevent most inlet valve failures and save on repair costs. Looking ahead, future Maytag washers will feature AI-powered diagnostics that detect potential issues before they cause errors. Self-cleaning valves and proactive maintenance alerts via smartphone apps are already emerging. Modular valve designs will make replacements easier and more cost-effective. These advancements promise to reduce F8E1 errors significantly by 2030.